Did you know that SeaRay is one of the largest manufacturers of pleasure boats in the world? Let's take a moment to dive into the fascinating history of this industry giant. SeaRay first set sail back in the year 1959 when it was established by SeaRay. Born out of a vision for a new kind of boating experience, SeaRay quickly made a name for itself with its innovative designs and commitment to quality. Over the years, SeaRay has grown from a small startup to a major player in the boating industry. The journey wasn't always smooth sailing, but each challenge only served to strengthen the company's resolve. SeaRay's dedication to innovation and quality has helped it weather the storm and emerge stronger than ever. One key milestone in SeaRay's history was its acquisition by the Brunswick Boat Group in 1986. This move marked the beginning of a new era for SeaRay, one that saw the company expand its reach and influence even further. The Brunswick Boat Group, a globally recognized leader in the marine industry, provided the resources and support needed for SeaRay to take its operations to the next level. Throughout its history, SeaRay has always been committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the boating industry. From introducing new designs to pioneering advanced manufacturing techniques, SeaRay has consistently set the bar high. The company's commitment to innovation is matched only by its dedication to quality. Every SeaRay boat is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a superior boating experience for its users. SeaRay's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of excellence. From its humble beginnings in 1959 to its current status as one of the world's leading boat manufacturers, SeaRay has truly made waves in the boating industry. With a rich history and a commitment to innovation, SeaRay has truly set the standard in the boating industry. From sport boats to yachts, SeaRay's diverse fleet caters to a variety of boating enthusiasts. This isn't just a company that produces boats, it's a company that crafts experiences, tailored to the desires and needs of each boat enthusiast. Let's start with sport boats, the thrill seeker's delight. SeaRay's sport boats are built with speed and agility in mind. They're compact, sleek, and incredibly fast. With powerful engines and lightweight frames, these boats are perfect for those who crave the rush of the wind in their hair and the thrill of speed on the open water. Then we have the bow riders, the perfect blend of sportiness and relaxation. These boats are designed for those who want to feel the thrill of speed but also want a comfortable space to relax and socialize. With spacious seating areas and state-of-the-art entertainment systems, bow riders are perfect for a day out on the water with friends or family. Next in line are the cruisers. These boats are all about luxury and comfort. They're larger, offering more space for lounging and entertaining. They come equipped with all the amenities you'd expect in a luxury yacht, including plush seating, gourmet kitchens, and even sleeping quarters. Cruisers are ideal for those who enjoy long, leisurely cruises and overnight trips. Last, but certainly not least, are SeaRay's yachts. These are the epitome of opulence and elegance on the water. With multiple decks, luxurious interiors, and top-of-the-line technology, SeaRay's yachts are for those who accept nothing but the best. They offer unparalleled comfort and luxury, making every journey an unforgettable experience. Every SeaRay boat is designed with meticulous attention to detail. From the choice of materials to the design of the hull, every aspect is carefully considered to ensure optimal performance, comfort, and style. Each boat is a testament to SeaRay's commitment to quality and innovation. So, whether you're a speed enthusiast or a luxury seeker, whether you enjoy the thrill of racing across the waves or the tranquility of a leisurely cruise, SeaRay has a boat that's perfectly tailored to your needs. SeaRay's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in every boat they produce. Let's dive right into the heart of SeaRay's manufacturing process. It's a blend of meticulous craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and high-grade materials. Their process begins with a design phase where each detail is carefully considered, from the hull shape to the onboard amenities. This attention to detail ensures that every SeaRay boat is aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Moving on to the construction phase, SeaRay utilizes state-of-the-art technology. It's not just about building boats, it's about creating an experience. Precision laser cutting, robotic welding, and high-pressure injection molding are just a few of the techniques employed to ensure accuracy and consistency. The materials used are nothing short of top-notch. Marine-grade stainless steel, hand-stitched upholstery, and premium-grade teak wood are common features across the SeaRay range. You see, with SeaRay, quality is not an option, it's a standard. Innovation is another defining characteristic of SeaRay. They're not just keeping up with the times, they're setting the pace. For instance, SeaRay's Quiet Ride technology is a game changer. It reduces noise, vibration, and harshness by up to 50%, making your time on the water incredibly serene. Then there's the dynamic running surface, an automatic trim system that adjusts to changes in speed, sea conditions, and shift in weight. It ensures optimal performance and stability no matter the circumstances. And how can we forget SeaRay's advanced helm systems? They're like a high-tech command center at your fingertips. These systems incorporate touchscreen displays, digital throttle and shift controls, and joystick piloting for effortless maneuvering. It's not just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about making the journey as enjoyable as possible. When you buy a SeaRay, you're not just buying a boat, you're investing in a piece of innovative engineering. You're investing in a legacy of unrivaled quality and innovation that continues to set new standards in the boating industry. Indeed, with SeaRay, you're not just on the water, you're part of the water. SeaRay's influence on the boating industry is undeniable. It's a statement that rings true to anyone who has been around the world of boating for any length of time. SeaRay has been a trailblazer, setting new standards in design and manufacturing, and pioneering new technologies that have transformed the way we experience the water. SeaRay's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of their operations. They have consistently pushed the envelope in boat design, creating vessels that are not only visually stunning but also incredibly functional. From their sleek, streamlined hulls to their luxurious interiors, SeaRay Boats are a testament to the company's dedication to excellence. But SeaRay's impact extends beyond just aesthetics. They have been instrumental in introducing new technologies that have revolutionized the boating industry. For instance, they were among the first to incorporate advanced navigation systems and cutting-edge entertainment features into their boats, significantly enhancing the boating experience for their customers. Furthermore, SeaRay's commitment to sustainability has made waves in the industry. They have implemented a variety of environmentally friendly practices in their manufacturing processes, such as using recycled materials and reducing energy consumption. They have also developed eco-friendly boat models, demonstrating that luxury and sustainability can indeed go hand in hand. Perhaps most importantly, SeaRay's influence has been felt in the way they've raised the bar for quality in the boating industry. They have set new standards for craftsmanship and durability, ensuring that their boats stand the test of time. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is unparalleled, with a focus on providing excellent after-sales service and support. In essence, SeaRay has not just been a participant in the boating industry, they've been a leader, driving changes and setting the pace for others to follow. Their commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability has had a profound impact on the way boats are designed, manufactured, and enjoyed. SeaRay's impact on the boating industry extends beyond its impressive fleet. It's an impact that can be seen in the way other companies strive to emulate their success, in the higher standards customers now expect, and in the more sustainable future they're helping to create. Truly, SeaRay's influence is as wide as the open sea itself. So, why should you choose a SeaRay for your next boating adventure? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, SeaRay boats are synonymous with quality. Each boat is meticulously crafted with the utmost care and precision, ensuring every detail is just right. From the hull to the helm, SeaRay uses only top-tier materials and cutting-edge technology to create a boating experience that is second to none. With a SeaRay, you're not just getting a boat, you're getting a masterpiece of craftsmanship. But SeaRay's commitment to quality doesn't end with their boats. They believe that a great boating experience also includes exceptional customer service. From the moment you step into a SeaRay dealership, you're treated like family. Their knowledgeable staff is always ready to guide you, answering any questions you might have and ensuring you make the best choice for your boating needs. And it doesn't stop at the point of sale. SeaRay is committed to providing ongoing support to all their customers, ensuring your boating experience is always smooth sailing. Now let's talk about innovation. SeaRay is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in boating. They're constantly exploring new technologies and design principles to create boats that are not only functional, but also incredibly enjoyable to use. From innovative seating arrangements that maximize comfort and space, to advanced navigation systems that make piloting a breeze, SeaRay is always at the forefront of boating innovation. And finally, when you choose SeaRay, you're joining a community of passionate boating enthusiasts who share your love for the water, a community that values quality and innovation, and believes that boating should be more than just a hobby, it should be a way of life. With a SeaRay, you're not just getting a boat, you're joining a community of boating enthusiasts who value quality, innovation, and exceptional service. So, are you ready to set sail with SeaRay? In the end, it's clear that SeaRay stands out in the boating world. We've explored SeaRay's rich history, admired their varied fleet, and appreciated their dedication to quality and innovation. We've also seen how they've shaped the boating industry and the unique benefits of owning a SeaRay. The true beauty of SeaRay lies not just in their boats, but in their passion for the open water, and that's truly something to be cherished. Thank you for joining us on this journey through SeaRay's rich history and innovative fleet. Until next time, keep sailing,